The use of in, on, at, talking about time. In this short video, I will teach you how to use in, at, on, talking about time. Let's get started. I will visit Spain in December. I will visit Spain in December. We use in to talk about period of time. Period of time. December. It's a period of time. Okay, we use in this case. The World Cup is in the summer. Summer is a period of time. So we use in. I will visit Spain in December. This year, this summer, in. Always in if we talk about a period of time. At. She will arrive at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Specific time. Okay? At. She will arrive at 2 o'clock. Specific time. 2 o'clock. The Spanish class starts at 3:30. 3:30. Specific. So we use at. When do we use on? I want to meet the manager on Tuesday. We use on for one date, one day, or one date. Always on Friday, on Sunday. We have a meeting on March 21st. March 21st is one date, one date. Now you can ask me, why do we have in December here, on March here? Because we have one day, March 21st. Now you can realize that it is not so difficult to use prepositions in English. See you next.